Bonjour! In this lesson, we are learning about ordinal numbers in French. Les nombres ordinaux. Les nombres ordinaux. Remember, ordinal numbers are like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, etc. And also remember, we have already looked at cardinal numbers in French. Cardinal numbers are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ordinal numbers, first, second, third, fourth. So now we are looking at les nombres ordinaux, ordinal numbers. We derive ordinal numbers from cardinal numbers. Now, in French, our cardinal number 1 is an. And first, what are we going to call first? First, we are going to call it premier. Repeat that. Premier means first. It means first. And this first, that is premier, is masculine. It is masculine. When you are referring to masculine objects, masculine things, you use premier. And feminine is première. Première means first, but it is female. It is feminine. When we are referring to feminine objects, feminine things, anything feminine, we use première. Then our cardinal number 2 is do. What about second? Second, we are going to call it deuxième. This one, deuxième. We are going to call it deuxième. Deuxième means second. Deuxième means second. And we can also call it second. And this second is masculine. It is male. When we are referring to male things, male objects, second. And the female form is second. That is why the E is in brackets. Meaning, when you are referring to female things, female nouns, you use second with E. But masculine does not have E. Then we have trois. Number 3 is trois. What about third? Trois. It's troisième. Now, here there is a formula. Here is the formula of forming ordinal numbers from cardinal numbers. What we do is take the cardinal number, and then you add the suffix em. Add the suffix em. Take the cardinal number and add the suffix em. So this one becomes deuxième. Look at trois. Trois is 3. What about that? Take this cardinal number. Take the cardinal number. Add em. It becomes troisième. Look at our number 6. That is C. Add em. It becomes sixième. That is 6th. Sixième. Sept, it will be septième. Huit, huitième. Dixième. Like that. Take the cardinal number, add the suffix em. Now, when the cardinal number ends with a, like that, when the cardinal number ends in E, when it ends with E, remove the E, remove it, and then you put em. Here you have already removed, and then you have put em. Quatrième. Other examples, look here, we have onze. It ends with E. Remove it, and then you add em. It becomes onzième. This one the same. Remove this, and you add em. douzième, 12th. 13th will be treizième, quatorzième, quinzième, seizième, like that. That is formula number 2. Formula number 3, there are, some of them are irregular. We observe some irregularity when it comes to cinq. Look at cinq. Cinq, you have added U. You have added U to become cinquième. U, and then you have put ième. Here there is U. That is why I have written this one in red, to know some irregularity here, for you to note this irregularity. Cinquième. It becomes cinquième, cinquième, cinquième. And then number 9. 9 is neuf, neuf. Now, to make this neuf ordinal, this F changes to V. It changes to V. Now it becomes, and then after adding V, after changing it to V, you add ième. It becomes neuvième, 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 neuvième. So even here, when we are looking at 19, it becomes 19e. That is, F changes to V. F changes to V. So what you do is that you should know that we derive ordinal numbers from cardinal numbers. You take the cardinal number and put the suffix em. The cardinal number that ends with O, you remove the E and add em. Again, note the ones that are irregular, that is cinq. Cinq, it becomes cinquième. You have to add this E. And then neuf, the F changes to V. So that is it. So now, 17th will be 17e. Here it is. 18th, 18e. 20th, it will be 20e. You just add em. 21, remember it is 21. 21. So it becomes 21e, 21e, 22e, 23e, 25e. This is 5. So therefore 5 changes to 5e. Yeah, 29e. 30, you can see our 30. Our 30 is 30, and therefore you remove the E and you put em. You remove the O and put em. Yeah, so here again, 30, 31. So now how do we call 38? It will be 38e. 40, remove the E, and then it will be 40e. And this formula goes on, all those numbers. That is still the formula, the same formula that you are using. 62, 62 becomes 62e. 66 becomes 66e. You just add em. 80 becomes 80e. 80e. Yeah, like that. 97. What is 97? It will be 97e. 97e. 98e. 18. Up to there is 18, and then em. 98e. 100 will be centième. It will be centième. Beyond 100, au-delà de 100, so beyond 100, for example, 101 is 101, so, and then an, centaine. So it will be centunième. It's just this, and you put em. Centdeuxième. 300, 300. So it will be 3 centièmes. 1000, 1000. So it will be millième. You remove the E and you put em. So that is it, and it is very, very, very easy. For now, you know how to formulate les nombres ordinaux. Les nombres ordinaux. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Merci et au revoir.